Hello guys! Merry Christmas in advance! Hola! Boa tarde! Okay? Mais dia de luta! Vamos jogar y ganhar! Today I have the new Christmas ticket, 10 euro. Nova Raspadinha de Natal. Feliz Natal! Let's see if copy money or not. Okay? Vamos comenzar. Let's start. I didn't read the instruction. Okay? Matching symbol. Matching symbol in game 1. Jugos Om in Portuguese. We're looking for in Portuguese símbolos. Okay. Asivinho. Asivinho Pina. Okay. These two symbols. Matching symbols, guys, in short. And we have the vela. Penguin. Vela candle, guys. Presente. Bola. No more symbols or what? Okay, only 4 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no penguin. No, okay. Game 2. Area de jugos encontrar o my símbolos. This one. Gana a cuantía o suma das cuantías indicadas debaixo desses mesmos símbolos. We're looking for this symbol. Ay, chica. Okay. Pai Natal. Brende. Pa. Why is related to carta or letter? What is this? Okay, so not, there's no match or what? 1, 1, 2. Jogo is no. Okay, so I didn't find that symbol. And Jogo 3 or game 3. We're looking for 3 contas iguais, 3 like prices. Feliz Natal, guys, outside Portugal. Merry Christmas. We have 25, 20, 10. Of course. 20, 10, 25. Oh Lord, difficult to win, guys. Here we're looking for at least 5 Christmas tree to win 10 euro. If we uncover the symbol star, estrela in Portuguese, we win 150. We are looking for at least 5 Christmas trees. Okay. 1, 2, estrella. Before it was this. 3. At least give me 2 more to win. 4. Wow, I got 4 already. At least give me 1 to win. 1 more Christmas tree to win. 1 more Christmas tree. Let me win in this ticket. One more Christmas tree. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chances. I just need one. One Christmas tree. Oh Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4. My phone stopped working, guys, so I didn't get any win in this ticket because only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my phone stopped working. Okay, so only 4 Christmas trees. So of course I don't win. Okay, so this Christmas ticket is very stingy tickets. Okay, so there's no win. Let's go to the other Christmas tickets. Boas Festas. Okay, I have ticket number. Happy holidays in English. I have ticket number 27, 26, 26, 27. Let's start with the bonus. Christmas tree. No, it's a star that I needed in the first ticket. Bonus toys we're looking for. What is that? Penguin or what? Whatever is that. I think it's a snowman or what. Okay, so no. We're looking for matching numbers, guys. We're looking for 25, 20, 15, 31. 18, 30, 19, 27, 36, 28, 45, 40, 42, ay, 45, 40, 42, 43, that's a joke. 16, 15, 14, 12, 41, 17, and no more. Okay, so this is not a winner also. 26. Go to 27. Bonus. Christmas tree. Estrella again. Bonus 2. No. Here, matching numbers. We're looking for 36, 19, 35, 28. 25, 27, 37, 21, 24, 23, 32, 14, 31, 38. There's no match or what? 34, 11, 22, 40, 45. Nada? Oh Lord, there's no win, guys. There is no win. Okay. 36, 19, 35, 28. No. Okay, so there's no win in this session, guys. There is no win. All donations. All donations to Portugal Lottery. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.